Students, time for song number 5. American Girl by Bonnie McKee. Now, Bonnie McKee is specifically a California girl, like her friend Katy Perry, one of the stars that she writes songs for. She's known mostly as a songwriter, not so much as a performer. With American Girl, she had a fun song that she wanted to keep for herself. And it really is one of the funniest songs to hit the pop charts. However, it was not a hit song, not even top 10. But we're looking at this song because it's got the word American in it. And we want to find out what she has to say about what an American girl is. And we'll also find out a little bit more about why this song is considered so funny. You can see the humor, maybe a little bit, from the beginning of the song. It starts off with this, "I fell in love in a 7-Eleven parking lot." You know, this teenage drama thing. And when you hear lines like, "I was raised by a television, and I just keep on moving my body." You know, this is not a serious examination of what makes up an American girl. It's satire. It's making a joke of the image of an American girl. So what is that image? Well, she's rebellious. She doesn't listen to mommy. She doesn't apologize. She's not very smart. "I was raised by a television." She's competitive. Every day is a competition. And she's dreaming of her future success. She's got a plan, and she talks about how we're going to show them all. And of course, the American girl is full of energy, always moving her body, ready to party. She's hot-blooded. She's going to go all night. Move my body, ready to party, hot-blooded, go all night. These are cliches. Now, it's true that all of the points that we get from the song lyrics truly connect with an image of the American girl, but these are not the only things that American girls are. Of course, there are millions of American girls who study hard, who go to church on Sundays, who work for a living, they make money, they love their country, and they believe in something more than just themselves. By picking up on these other points that Bonnie McKee is singing about, she's ignoring being thoughtful, loyal, and kind. So we can see that Bonnie McKee is having a good joke, exaggerating and not taking it too seriously. And then we see the music video. Wow! It adds so much more humor from, little things like the clothing and the hats and the jewelry and the cultural references to how she wins over every guy that she meets. The music video is a hilarious, exaggerated story of a day in the life of an American girl. All right, let's go through the video. The video opens with the girls actually sitting on the curb in a 7-Eleven parking lot. Now, this is something that is 100% American, sitting on the curbs or the steps. They're texting, "Hey, party at my place tonight." So we get the sense that, okay, there's a story, a narrative set up for this music video. Now, look at the clothes that the girls are wearing. It looks like, these are not, go downtown and look cool clothes. Not tasteful. It looks like a fashion explosion. But it doesn't matter because there are two guys over there checking out the hot girls. And the girls are always doing what they do when they see hot guys like that. "Oh, baby. Oh, I'm so shy, but I'm looking at you." I love this girl over here. Her brain looks so completely empty, And this girl, I'm so sexy, look at me. And the only reason these guys would be here is to pretend that they're doing something just so that they can check out these hot girls, okay? And she's going, no, kiss, 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 right? And shyly, she's looking at the camera and singing to us. Uh-oh, the hot guys are coming closer. Hi, how are you? Note the diversity, okay? Just like in Miley Cyrus's music video, in the middle, we've got our regular white girl lead singer. Over here, we have our cool African American. And over here is your California Asian with blonde hair and green highlights. It looks like something you'd see in Harajuku, maybe. Okay, now take a look at the hats here. She's got a hat that says loser. Which means that if you are looking at her, she's calling you a loser. Another girl has the word ballin', B-A-L-L-I-N, on her ski cap here. Ballin' is a recent American slang word that means you are living an awesome luxury life with your clothes and your money and partying and so on. Okay, so after all the waving and sexy and flirtatious looks, look at this, the biting of the lip here. This is just so over-exaggerated. So next we see the girls get up and go into the store, and we're seeing that they're really overdressed to go, oh my God, with the, Coco Chanel fake jewelry and so on. Now, of course, these girls walk in, and the guy behind the register is checking them out because he's a nerd. He's not a cool guy. He's just wide. His eyes are like, oh my God, look at these beautiful girls come into my shop. And she is going to really play it up. Oh, and he's going, oh my God. So the singer teases him by licking the cup. And it's a good thing that she's distracting him because the other girl is shoplifting. She's putting stuff into her bag. Shoplifting from a convenience store is really stupid and unbelievable because there are security cameras everywhere. But it doesn't matter because she's going to pretend, oh, I forgot my money. Oh, I'm so sorry. What am I going to do? And the guy says, oh, don't worry about it. Go ahead. And she goes, oh, okay, bye-bye, loser. And he blows a kiss. The guy's been so happy to have 3 hot American girls in the store. The girls are supposed to blow a kiss to him, but they don't even do that. And the girls are giggling and they're happy because they're getting away with this really small crime. So this is the first point that makes it very clear that because of the sexual appeal of the American girl, they can win over any man they want. They can get whatever they want just by being beautiful and charming. Note the Hollywood sign in the distance here. So we're in Hollywood, California, which is a neighborhood in Los Angeles, the place where dreams come true. And by the way, this would have to be a dream because in Los Angeles, nobody walks anywhere. New Yorkers walk everywhere and take subways and trains, but in Los Angeles, that's a car town. And people will drive their car to a convenience store even if it's a 5-minute walk away. So there's a fun point for you about Los Angeles culture. Next, the girls go to their home and they dance around in their pajamas. And I don't know why they're doing this because it's daytime. And they're playing some kind of girls' game. So this is very, very pre-teen feeling to it. These girls are probably anywhere between 18 to 25 years old. And actually at the time that this video was shot, Bonnie McKee was 29 years old. I don't know about the other girls in the video. Next, we're outside in the backyard where the girls are in their swimsuits, and they're not even going to go swimming. Oh, you know what this is? This is a pink donut from The Simpsons. You know, Homer Simpson loves these pink donuts, and this is a popular thing to throw into the pool, the Simpsons donut. And the girls are, oh, let's just be cool and be in the backyard. Look at these earrings that she's wearing. And she's got a t-shirt that says USA, and her sunglasses, of course, reflect the American flag. Out here in the backyard, they're chewing gum. This is marked behavior of preteen or, you know, a high school girl. Putting lotion on each other's bodies. There's kind of an erotic element thrown in there, along with distinctly teen behavior, like chewing gum and, you know, making up dances in the living room while they're watching stupid stuff on television. Okay, you remember the guy outside who had the car? Well, he's not there for just a moment. So what a great opportunity to steal the very cool car of the guy living across the street. Why? Because it's a free country and you can do anything. And of course she can. Look at that. She just picks up one thing and she says, oh, I fixed it. Look. Okay, let's go. And the guy comes outside and he's like, makita. So the girls take the car downtown Sunset Boulevard and they go to In-N-Out Burger. Absolutely. I mean, take a look. That is unmistakable. You don't see a Burger King sign here. You don't see a McDonald's sign here. This is In-N-Out Burger. Because if you're in Hollywood and you're driving down Sunset Boulevard, why would you not go to In-N-Out Burger? In-N-Out Burger is considered to have the best hamburgers and shakes in California. So next, we're at the shopping mall, and we're in different clothes, and we're all flipping our hair at the same time. Take a look. I love that. Oh my God. We're just so fashionable. And they're just killing time, having fun. So we know that they've bought some new clothes because on the way home, inside the car as it's going through the car wash, we see them changing from their old clothes into their new clothes. And you know what? Maybe you think this is outrageous behavior, but seriously, I don't think that there's a person in America who has not changed their clothes in their car at some point in their lives. Okay, so they've got their new clothes on and they're driving home to get to the home party just in time before the car overheats and explodes. At first it's, oh my God, what have I done? But then, oh, this is so entertaining. Oh, this is amusing. Oh yeah, it is so much fun to steal a car and then to watch it blow up and burn. And I stole marshmallows from the 7-Eleven, so now we can toast marshmallows while we watch the car burn. Yay! We are living our best lives here in America. And then they party in the backyard and we get a glimpse of the American flag because America is about freedom and fun. Doesn't this look like fun to you? Don't you wish you were an American girl? But wait, the very last shot is of the singer unmasking herself and giving us a wink and a smile to remind us that this is only a joke. Don't take it so seriously. Music videos really do not get much funnier than this. The American Girl video adds a great deal more information about the character of the American girl, more than just the song lyrics can provide. Of all the music videos we've watched so far this semester, this one is the best in that it contains a narrative, a story that adds to the meaning of the song. The other videos that we saw add some nice atmosphere, but none of them tie so well to the message of the song like this video. Bonnie McKee's American Girl. She's a brat. She's a tease. She's having fun. She breaks the rules because she's free. She does what she wants and gets away with it because she is so awesome.